video, I'm going to give you a really tricky question. Okay, you need to think a lot to answer this, but I'll provide you with the answer. So this is a crossword clue for kind of shoe that you should not be worn in a factory. It's very rare. Many people don't know about this because this is crossword. It will make you confused. And the answer is open toe. See? You cannot use an open toes shoes when you are working in factory because it will endangers your toes. Okay, so it will be better if you sever, if you use a proper shoes to your to the factory.
Hi, thank you so much for being part of this video. If you find this video is really helpful, you got to support us by clicking on this like button and share it to your friend. And of course, you need to subscribe in this channel by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on this ring button to get notified for every video we upload on YouTube. And if you have any question or you want to just say thanks to us, just click on this comment section and you can see whatever you want and click in comment. I think that's all of it. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next tutorial. Bye bye.